Intelligence is not the ability to store information, but to know where to find it. Never cease to stand like curious children before the great mystery into which we were born. Possessions, outward success, publicity, luxury, to me these have always been contemptible. I believe that a simple and unassuming manner of life is best for everyone, best for both the body and the mind. Wisdom is not a product of schooling but of the lifelong attempt to acquire it. I live in that solitude which is painful in youth, but delicious in the years of maturity. Only those who attempt the absurd can achieve the impossible. You never fail until you stop trying. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. Only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile. Weak people revenge. Strong people forgive. Intelligent people ignore. It's strange to be known so universally and yet be so lonely. Never memorize something that you can look up. Example isn't another way to teach, it is the only way to teach. Once we accept our limits, we go beyond them. The only sure way to avoid making mistakes is to have no new ideas. 3 great forces rule the world: stupidity, fear, and greed. Past is dead. Future is uncertain. Present is all you have, so eat, drink, and live merry. What a sad era when it is easier to smash an atom than a prejudice. Life is a preparation for the future. And the best preparation for the future is to live as if there were none. The only source of knowledge is experience. We all know that light travels faster than sound. That's why certain people appear bright until you hear them speak. Genius is 1% talent and 99% hard work. I'd rather be an optimist and a fool than a pessimist and right.